Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today is a very exciting day. I have had a concrete contractor come out in preparation of getting the pad poured in advance of having the greenhouse built. And in doing so, he confirmed that I needed to get on the ball and do the thing that I've been wanting to do for like at least a year and cut through my opening and make it so that this area that's currently filled with shrubs and trees is actually a utility path. So we are going to get busy today with a chainsaw and cut down some of these trees. I'm going to transplant some of those irises, move those boxwoods that are planted here along the edge so that this can once and for all be a functional pathway between the two yards so that when they come to pour concrete, they can actually dump all of the turf and stuff from that yard and carry it through here and dump it into the woods where it can decompose and eventually be used as compost. All right, so stay tuned to watch our progress. Is this a transformation or what? So we got all the trees and shrubs out. We have transplanted the irises and hedychiums, ginger lilies, into two big blocks. And basically now I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in with some soil cube across here so that we didn't even have to dig to get those irises planted. And we're gonna just rake this out and it's officially a pathway. I can't believe it, dude. Heck yeah. I feel like we're like contractors.
Oh yeah, it's definitely.
You know. Well, everybody, I hope you're half as impressed as I am. I've been talking about it for 2 years.
Oh yeah.
And I can't believe that all because one concrete contractor came this afternoon, we got it done in like 2 hours. I shouldn't have to dream of something for 2 years that only takes 2 hours to accomplish.
Oh yeah, definitely not.
But we've done it. We've got a great pathway so that when the concrete goes in for the greenhouse pad, they'll be able to just drive right through to be able to dump any organic waste, primarily grass. Obviously we will move where we site our soil cube bags, probably just move it back a bit. And we did get all of those irises transplanted. I can't believe I can walk through here. So we made a new bottle wall and we got the irises in. And really, I think this is gonna look awesome. It already looks awesome. So it's only gonna get better this spring. And now we've got this great big pathway that we'll be able to take the trailer, the lawnmowers, just generally equipment between the two properties, which is something that we lacked up until this moment. Well, I hope you'll be inspired by this video to just get outside and do whatever is on your list that's been bugging you. This is proof that not all projects are insurmountable, and I look forward to sharing more updates. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and happy gardening.